Between the ages of 5 and 10, children begin one of the most exciting stages of life. They start school, they learn to read, and they discover new interests. They spend more time using their eyes than ever before. These years play an important role in the development of lifelong visual habits. Today, I'd like to share 10 important ways that parents can help support healthy eye development during these school age years. So let's begin. Tip number 1. Pay attention to signs that your child may be struggling to see clearly. Children don't always tell us when they are having difficulty seeing. In fact, many children assume everyone sees exactly as they do. Watch for signs such as squinting, sitting close to screens, and holding books very close to their eyes. And sometimes they may complain of frequent headaches or discomfort if they are not able to, verbalize about a headache and difficulty concentrating. The earlier concerns are identified, the easier it is to provide support. Tip number 2. Encourage a healthy balance between screen and real life. Yes, we cannot stop underlining this at all. Technology is now part of everyday life. However, children's eyes also benefit from activities beyond screens. There is a lot of value in introducing sports to children. Encourage time spent reading physical books, playing outdoors. Like I said, to introduce a sport naturally integrates it into our daily routine. Creating art, building things, exploring nature. Yes, planning family trips together, treks, picnics, etc. These all are a wonderful way. Tip number 3. Make outdoor play a daily habit. Outdoor time remains one of the most valuable activities for growing eyes. Natural daylight and opportunities to focus on distant objects provide experiences that indoor environments simply cannot replicate. When we are outdoor, we may be looking even 30, 40, 50 feet away, and at home, we are limited to 5 to 10 feet. Even a simple walk in a park can be beneficial. Tip number 4. Encourage visual breaks during homework. Children today often spend long periods reading, writing, and studying, and their eyes would truly appreciate an occasional opportunity to relax in between. Encourage them to pause, stretch, and look into the distance from time to time, and similarly, hydrate. Small breaks can make a big difference. Tip number 5. Listen when your child mentions discomfort or headache or tired eyes. Sometimes children casually mention discomfort and then they move on. At that time, it's worth paying attention because recurring headaches or visual fatigue may be clues that deserve further exploration. And there is a solution for everything, so there is no reason to go through it. Tip number 6. Continue offering colorful, nourishing foods. Growing eyes need nourishment. Yes, continue to include the entire rainbow colors, the orange, the green, I think now, and the fruits, nuts and seeds. And trust you me, if you are eating it, your children will not resist. Healthy fats when appropriate. And a colorful plate supports overall health and development. Tip number 7. Encourage activities that develop visual skills. Many enjoyable activities support visual development. As they grow up, even drawing, puzzles, building models, ball sports are truly valuable because of the changing in the distance of the vision, and crafts and these experiences help strengthen coordination and visual awareness while children are having fun. Tip number 8. Protect eyes during sports and play. Children become increasingly active during these years, and whether it's cricket, football, cycling, skating, or playground adventures, Helping children to understand eye safety is important. A little awareness goes a long way. Tip number 9: help children build healthy screen habits. Better than focusing only on restrictions, teach awareness. Encourage regular breaks, comfortable viewing distances, good posture, and balance in the daily activities. Healthy habits learnt now more often last a lifetime. Tip number 10: consider regular eye examinations. Vision plays a major role in learning, and routine eye examination help provide reassurance and can identify concerns that may be not be immediately obvious. Underlying conditions can be detected. Supporting a child's vision is also supporting their confidence and learning journey. The school years are filled with discovery. Every book they read, every game they play, every person they meet, every lesson they learn, their eyes help make those experiences possible. And by encouraging healthy habits today, you are helping support the visual foundation that they'll rely on for years to come. Yes. And I'm very grateful to all of you for sharing these videos and links to people who you know need it or would appreciate having this knowledge. And thank you once again.